Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to update your videos to the Shorts format using Adobe Premiere Pro. First things first, open up your project in Premiere Pro. Then, navigate to the Effects menu located at the top of the screen. Once you're in the Effects menu, search for Auto Reframe using the search bar. Feature will automatically adjust your video for different aspect ratios. Now, simply click on the Auto Reframe effect and drag it onto your video layer in the timeline. Take a look at how your video is magically adjusted to fit the Shorts format without the need for manual cutting or resizing. And there you have it. With just one click, you can update your videos to the Shorts format using Auto Reframe in Premiere Pro. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on video editing. See you next time.